Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of power tools, and let me tell you, we've got a real gem on our hands. Feast your eyes on the DEWALT 20V MAX XR Jig Saw, the undisputed champion of precision cutting and versatility. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me make one thing abundantly clear: if you're in the market for a top-tier jigsaw, look no further. The DEWALT 20V MAX XR Jig Saw stands head and shoulders above the competition, and today, I'm going to show you why. First things first, let's talk power. This bad boy features a brushless motor that delivers unparalleled performance in runtime. With a blade speed of 3,200 strokes per minute, you'll breeze through wood, metal, and plastic like a hot knife through butter. But power is nothing without precision, and that's where the DEWALT 20V MAX XR Jig Saw truly shines. Thanks to its variable speed trigger and 4-position orbital action, you'll have total control over your cuts, whether you're making intricate curves or straight lines. Now, let's talk convenience. Ever struggled with changing jigsaw blades? Say goodbye to those days, my friends. The DEWALT 20V MAX XR features an all-metal, lever-action keyless blade change system that makes swapping blades a breeze. Plus, with its compact size and ergonomic design, you'll enjoy maximum comfort and control with every use. And let's not forget about those little extras that make all the difference. With a bright LED light illuminating your work surface and an integrated dust blower keeping your line of sight clear, you'll tackle even the toughest projects with ease. So, there you have it, folks, the DEWALT 20V MAX XR Jig Saw. With its unbeatable combination of power, precision, and convenience, it's no wonder why this tool is the undisputed king of the jigsaw world. Trust me, if you're serious about your craft, this is the tool you need in your arsenal. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy crafting!